Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and integrate and connect your Squarespace website with Trello. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website if you're not already by going to squarespace.com, and then you can go ahead and log in. So once you have logged in and open up your website, this is what it's going to look like. This is going to be the home page from where the left side of the screen we can find all the sections we can access for go ahead and editing our website, and this is how we can get started with integrating with Trello. But there is not a direct way on Squarespace to go ahead and integrate with Trello, so we have to use a third-party tool such as Zapier. You can use whichever option you prefer. You can go ahead and search on Google for ways to integrate Trello with Squarespace, and what we can go ahead and do is to use something like Zapier. So this is going to enable us to connect Squarespace forms and Trello to power AI-driven automation, and here you can take a look at how it looks. So it's user-friendly. If you need any help with beginning on how to use it, you can go ahead and explore their forums or some online tutorials and even contact their customer support. It's going to enable you to go and create trigger events so that you can go and use for your Squarespace website. That's going to take people directly to Trello from your website. So once you've created that, you can integrate it directly into your code on your website and add it that way. And that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.